has 3 chapters.
It said you Kobe, Mommy. I got to get my pencil.
His puncher.
Not pencil.
Just flying right now. Once you get up on top of something, jump off.
Yeah. And jump off. If that will help you, I always do that with that one.
Don't walk like that.
Shit.
Hey.
You're standing on it.
I didn't fly.
Fly with it or keep huh?
Can't fly now. Now stand up.
Jump up.
Can you
Move, Gracie.
I can
Since when does Superman skip? Dang. You was trying to drill a hole in the ground, huh?
Try to jump off of this, like this. Try to do that.
Fail.
Why?
You fell with grace.
Gracie, don't do that.
Here, jump off of my back. Okay.
Oh boy. I'm a cowboy.
Ew. Ew, Henry.
I just got